first DIY, and then I'm about to take shower, so I'd like to share how to make hair mask. So kalau di Indonesia, what we can call like a cream bath. Okay, so let's do it now. This is like saya tadi mau mandi, cuman sebelum mandi seperti biasa sambil sarapan, saya baca-baca like the most favorite product like essential oil from Young Living. I'm checking about the Clary Sage. So it's come up with these things, and then it's about like I want to take shower, so why not? So anyway, what yang kita butuhkan untuk bikin a hair mask, let's do it. So first we gonna do with coconut oil, 2 teaspoon. Oh no, I think 2 tablespoons. So this coconut oil, it's frozen in here. I don't know why. I think because of too cold in here. So we're gonna make it like a 2 tablespoons. 1. Oops. Oh gosh. Next time I will buy the one with the okay, so we have 2 tablespoons. Oops, sorry. Oopsie. And then 2 teaspoons olive oil. Wait a minute. Ini DIY-nya kurang persiapan. Okay. So we need 2 teaspoon olive oil. 1, 2. Okay. Let me put it in here. And 4 drop Clary Sage essential oil. I mix it in the oil. Okay. We need 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. More is okay. And 4 drop rosemary essential oil. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the ingredients, both this, and this. Okay. After that, we're gonna mix it. Ini baru pertama kali juga saya pakai. I'm gonna put review after, okay? Setelah beberapa kali pemakaian. So I'm gonna put. Not bad the smell. Okay, now. Oh my god. This is quarantine style. Okay. Apply to hair, concentrating on the ends. Jadi apa sih namanya? The end of, see like this. think we can do it. Kita bisa bikin half of the portion. Kalau yang rambutnya pendek kayak saya, smell good. Yeah, I think next time bisa bikin half portion. Okay. And let it sit 15 menit. After that, shower seperti biasa. Okay. See you in my next DIY.